Hello and welcome to Nural Tech Apps. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using the Nural SFA app. Let's get started. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, adorned with various module tiles. Locate and click on the dashboard tile to access the dashboard. Here, you can tailor your view by selecting the desired month and year. After making your selections, hit search to visualize the data for the chosen period. The data in the upper table is clickable. Upon selection, the data in the lower section dynamically updates based on your choices. And that's not all. Below, you'll find 3 tabs, each offering unique insights. Feel free to click on any of them to explore additional information, and there you have it. A quick guide to navigating the dashboard. Happy exploring! We hope you find this tutorial helpful in using the Nural SFA app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing Nural Tech Apps.